Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Usase. Please, this is going to be a very robust broadcast this morning. It depends on how the Spirit leads, so I will not give you the timing. This time, now Pidgin English we won't speak. There will not be ordinary Pidgin English there. The main one will be like what they call Ogo na bottle. Now we won't speak this morning. Make everybody for tag along with the trend. Invite your friend. Help us to make this video go far. If you love Edo State, if you love the effort of Governor Godwin Obaseki, if you love the progress of the state, if you want to make evil people not take an advantage of the state, I beg, share this video. Share this video. Invite your friend, make them watch. Because this fight now winner take it all. Fight to finish. Now, if you watch the caption, I ask, who give Oshomole the power or the right to take the appoint, reappoint, and sack governors in Edo State? Who? You know what raised this video? What make me come out today one talk? Now the show of shame wey display yesterday, wey go dey kneel down, they say vote for me. Let's say in the contest election. When Oshomole dey contest new election in 2007, Oshomole no kneel down beg anybody. He gets that election on the basis of popularity. But for now, they're not the popular again because now the contest election. He carry Ize for back. They go from place to place. But today we will talk about this activity and we will quote her. Please share this video. Share. Click your share and invite your friend. Click your share. The share is very important. Share this video. Now, the point we want to raise here be say, Oshomole now don see and say, our fathers, our Enigies, they very important. But you forget to understand, say, Enigi from Edo South, Enigi from Edo Central, and all of us in Edo North, all in all, they work with our most respected Oba of Benin. The question now is, why Oshomole not put this respect into consideration when he openly disposed the Enogi? Why? Today, that same set of Enogi, because an injury to one is an injury to all. That same Enogi, when you dispose, now your own people, you come now, they down the peg, say, I beg you, vote for my person. Now, Edo people, may I quickly tell you one truth. This election are two ways it be to APC. One, is there Yamu the fight for you? Two, Oshomole the fight for a political life. Not be say Oshomole really like Ize Yamu like that. Now political vendetta. As in, he won't get back to Obaseki by force. Say, this man, I must remove him. Since me not be national chairman again, he no go see go. Una wey be Benin know the meaning of Operation Biaria Yawa. Now Oshomole dey play now. That make her dey run here and there. All the math wey they talk different type of story, he want to change am. They say forgive me, because he knows if he no start from that forgiveness, all the thing we go talk no go work. But the truth is, whether you come here go talk forgiveness, you don't come here. He tell us on one video. Abeg, give me that phone. Make I dey play am. He tell us on one video, say, go for the one. He tell us on one video, say, Ize Yamu lie effortlessly. He say, Ize Yamu lie effortlessly. Go for war. Go for war. Give me again one video with it there. Make I play am. He say Yamu. I want to play all these things on now. with fact. He said Izeyamu lies effortlessly. Now, Oshomole can't be like person where he say, he be like, make Izeyamu say they happy somehow. Oshomole not be like person where he say, which where don't talk. He can't go for confess for Amuka. Now, the same man where talks says Amuna this, Amuna that. Now him don't he come and say, hey, Anatakamu. Oh, you are saying not Deva Amuka. He is confessing now. So he tell him and say that statement we made before, na political statement. You see, when you need another lie to defend the first lie. So what it make you think now? Say the one way he talk again, not be political statement. My people, I go play the video for Namoku and see. You know, say when we dey talk, we go to talk with evidence. Please share this video. Share. You see this in Ochoro, where they do, he will never succeed. Edo will never return to the also will not get right to hire and fire government in Edo. You say yes. The way they do it now, he not fit hide them again. The bitterness they show for his body, he has been removed. No doubt, he cannot return. If he like it from here, use knee take creep from Kukuruku to Ikoto. All the things in the Torah district of Edo State, we will never take him serious. No. So we allow quote himself. I better wait. This is the first one. Listen to.
Literally, I watch him say he's a pastor. No pastor with subscription will lie effortlessly the way Mr. Izeyamu lies. And no pastor will equip a young man to go and fight.
This was a man who worked closely with you before.
Yeah.
Your former DG of campaign.
Yeah.
And you realize now that he lies?
Oh, I know he lies.
Even when he was working with you?
Oh, yes.
He does lie when he was
Excuse me, I cannot make...
You hear him? Let me go out. You hear him? When I hear the same man, give me that, please, give me that phone. When I hear the same man, he openly agree. Say, he know. Bring that chair for me. He know, say, Izeyamu, they lie effortlessly. Then, Swen Okimbaloye come ask and say, even while he was your DG, he lies. He say, yes, I know he lies. Then what to make you, listen again. Make it not be like me talking. Listen again. Please, take it back and open the volume for me. Just listen. I said, tell them, I said, we're not going to do video because we want one. We will completely destroy them with their own statement and evidence. We will completely destroy them with their own statements and evidences. Are you getting the point? Now, let me play it again. Increase the volume for me. My brother. Let me show you again, please. Before we go to the next one.
I watch him say he's a pastor. Pastor with subscription will lie effortlessly the way Mr. Izeyamu lies. And no pastor will equip a young man to go and fight.
This was a man who worked closely with you before. Your former DG of campaign.
Yeah.
And you realize now that he lies?
Oh, I know he lies.
Even when he was working with you?
Oh, yes.
He just lied when he was
Excuse me, I cannot make...
Now, again, he openly agree that Izeyamu lie of effortlessly. Not be me the talker now. Now him the talker. I will bring that of Izeyamu's own for you to hear again. Make you hear what Izeyamu talk about Adams Oshomole. Now their statement we go use for them. We will never allow Edo to return to Egypt. Edo is not Lagos where one man decides for everybody. Wow. It is not. We will not allow. I repeat, we will never allow these people to have their way. Now, Let me go to the second segment. I want to show you the next video. Please listen. This is when Izeyamu. Okay, we'll go inside immediately when the journey is on. This is when Izeyamu said, this is what Izeyamu said about Oshomole. Listen, I will show you the video now. Okay, let's go. The power is back. Carry those facilities. Let me show you, because this time we will never allow them to have their way. We cannot live in a full paradise where psychophants celebrate mediocrity. Lock the door, please. Now, you just listen. I'm coming. Let me show you that of Izeyamu. Give me some minutes, please. Let me show you. You know, you cannot deceive us yesterday and come back again today to tell us another separate story. Ubi Mumu. Okay, now listen. Please. Listen to Izeyamu's statement. This is Izeyamu's statement.
And no people trusted him. They voted for him. The kind of money that has come to this state in the past almost 8 years, that money has never come before. From the time of Midwest to Benden and to the period before he came in the dome, if you add all the money together, it's not up to more than Oshomole collected. Oshomole has gotten over 1.4 trillion in the past 7.5 years. What has he done with it? It's not by insulting Pastor Izeyamu or by insulting Chifanemi. Only recently in the Catholic Church, he met Chifanemi, and on the altar, he apologized to him and said, "Please forgive me." But days after, he's abusing Chifanemi again. Will God forgive such a person? Will God forgive him? He says, Pastor Izeyamu is bad. Pastor Izeyamu is useless. When he appointed Pastor Izeyamu is DG, he didn't know Pastor Izeyamu was bad. When he made him national vice chairman of his party, he didn't know he was bad. Now Pastor Izeyamu has left him, he says he's bad. Who is a fool? Oshomole. Who is a fool? The truth about it is that this man has embezzled the resources of our states. I welcome Adams Oshomole to prove the time I was in government. Look for everything I did. Let him do it. Because by the grace of God, when I'm governor, I will probe him. I will probe him. Every governor that has come for those states, he will account for it. That is why he cannot sleep. And that's why he's talking like somebody who has got mental. The fear of being caught. One day for the thief, one day for the...
Now, hello people.
I'm coming.
Now I'm going to show you. Now, ask, what did you deduce from this video? The video I just played about the Duas. Sorry, my light is fluctuating here. I'm actually somewhere. Now, what did you deduce from this video? The light. What did you deduce from that particular video? Now, the both of them accused each other. Adam Oshomole openly agreed that Ize-Iyamu lies effortlessly. Ize-Iyamu accused Oshomole of looting the resources of Edo to a tune of over 1.4 trillion. You can recall the other day I came out publicly to tell you that Oshomole tied a single road per kilometer at a cost of 1 billion naira. You could recall 1 billion naira per kilometer to tie a single road 1 kilometer. Then the airport road, which is about 8 kilometers, Oshomole spent the sum of 8 billion to Sevatech company that constructed that road. Now, this is a confirmation from Pastor Saige Ize-Iyamu that Oshomole looted nothing less than 1.4 million naira. 1.4 million naira, yes. Trillion naira. I want to ask a simple question. Will Ize-Iyamu actually probe Oshomole if peradventure he becomes governor whatsoever anytime, but certainly not now in Edo State? The answer is no. The both of them have decided to collude, come together. Now look at the same video about Ize-Iyamu against Oshomole. He said Oshomole came out publicly to apologize to Chief Tony Aneni at the Catholic Church. 4 days after, he repeated what he knows how to do best. Ask yourself a simple question. Do you think that this same apology is sincere? Please type yes or no. Do you think that this same Oshomole apology is sincere? This is purely a political apology. He has said in the past, some few days ago, that all the statement he made against Ize-Iyamu was a political statement. This is Oshomole was asked by Swain Okimbaloye that, are you sure that this man is really a liar owing to the fact that he was your director general of your campaign? He said, yes, I know he was lying to Edo people while he was campaigning for me. I know he was lying to Edo people while he was campaigning for me. Now, are we fools to be intimidated by Adam Oshomole and his allies? Are we gods that cannot be able to understand the difference between yes or no? So, Edo people, do not be cajoled by his kneeling down. He's only a desperate politician that has been cut to size. He is a wannabe godfather that his aspiration has been damaged. From the beginning of this whole saga, Governor Godwin Obaseki, when he was coming down from plane at the airport, the media rushed at him and asked him, sir, is there any conflict between you and your predecessor, the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, which is now disposed today? In the history of politics in Nigeria, Oshomole, no other national chairman has been sacked the way Oshomole was humiliated and sacked from Osby, because he thinks that he knows it all. In his mind, I'm going to manipulate everybody, but we don't already know you. Obaseki said, I have no issue with him. All effort to make peace within them prove abortive. But today, Adam Oshomole is desperate. Now let's go to what he said while he was with the Enigis. He said all the project executed by him was abandoned. That is the reason behind his anger. Do not be deceived. Nothing of such. Now let us punish him with the truth. Specialist hospital is one of the most expensive physical construction ever done in sub-Sahara Africa, not even West Africa. Are you aware that the sum of 9 billion naira was spent in that hospital, which later collapsed after a sensitive report was given to Oshomole that such a project cannot be sited there? Oshomole refused because he never listened to anybody. There was EIA report, what we call environmental impact assessment, was carried out. Then EIA environmental impact statement, EIS, was issued to Oshomole instead of him to yield. He immediately consumed the sum of 9 billion, and this hospital collapsed. And that 9 billion, believe you me, the next video please, believe you me, Adam Oshomole on his part collected huge economic and political honorarium from that particular project. And as of today, he's coming to say that such a project should be continued with such an exorbitant price. As we speak, the governor is doing what is expected to manage and to arrange the hospital properly. We will never allow Oshomole to drag Edo people into the monkey pond or monkey water of dirty politics. We will never allow him. So Oshomole said that it's all about the project. Ask him what happens to the money that was designed to place equipment into that hospital. Those who Oshomole commissioned placed the money that is supposed to be used to put equipment to equip the hospital into fixed deposit for them to make money for themselves. And he said Obaseki should continue with such a style. The answer is no. Now, go and check the cost of Benin Water Storm project. After collecting the sum of over 30 billion collected from the bond market, so to the date, that project never completes. It still remains. Now the two of them have been able to open to Edo people that what they are fighting for is just to get back at the governor, not be say they actually mean well for Edo. Please share this video. Share this video. We said we will always make video to unravel his true intention. Now let me tell you the simple truth, Edo people. They know what will happen next if Obaseki becomes the governor of Edo State. One of them called me while we were all together fighting for stomach infrastructure. He said, I want to quote him now, but I will not mention his name. But when I speak, he will know that I'm talking about him. He said, the only reason why we not go feel let this guy win Stanley was that we not holding. Some of these people openly cried out to say they have not been given opportunity to eat in government house. Open your please. It will not be difficult for you to click share. As you are watching the video, share this video, invite your friends. Share this video and invite your friend. Now they have been able to expose to themselves and to Edo people that they are deceitful human beings. Oshomole believes that his talk and belief will work. But let me tell you the truth. Some of us who know how to curtail you, we are youth. You may underrate us. Say how this one has small boys, no level. We will teach you how to play the same politics that you taught us all in the past. But we have refused to adhere to your egocentric type of politics. That if people refuse to agree to what you have said as a dictator, nobody, the narrative will not continue. No, you have no right whatsoever to decide our collective destiny. Awa! You cannot decide our collective destiny. No way. Now, let me give you another video in respect of what Oshomole said about Pastor Saige Izeyamu. You know, to some of us, we don't just talk because we love to talk. We talk because we have evidence on ground to validate our claim. Now, I'm coming. Now, listen to Oshomole when he enriched, when he attacked Izeyamu. Increase the volume, please. Is the light there now? Okay. I have been told that the power sector has been restored. But listen. Now, before that video, let me show you the video where Oshomole saluted Governor Obaseki. Listen. Now that video is brief. I have the lengthy one. I will show you that later. Now, this is the same man Oshomole said is not qualified. Okay, this is the same man Oshomole said is not qualified to be. This is the same man Oshomole said is not qualified under APC to run as a governor. No. I know people. Ask yourself a simple question. Who and who they fool each other here now? Who and who they fool each other here now. Oshomole agreed that Obaseki went to primary and secondary school in Edo. He came out with a flying color. Then he went to, he got his master's. He traveled to America to school. Even when University of Ibadan issued a statement that Obaseki was our student, which Oshomole knew as the then national chairman, he graduated in flying colors, which Oshomole knew. Still, he went ahead to disqualify him. Una no observer now say Oshomole dey fight for your interest. He is like, I say, no deva amoka. It's like, I say, no deva amoka. He is not coming out to confess. Two separate statements from his mouth. What's happening to this life now? Two separate statements from his mouth. Please forgive the power we restore. It's like the generator is having problem. I actually lost that somewhere. Two separate statements from his mouth. Edo people, who and who be fooled as at now. Now, let me take you to the next video. Let's watch the next video, please. Then you will now know what it means to be a liar. Please give me some minutes. Edo people, please share this video. Share this video. Share this video, please. Give me your YouTube. Share this video. Please share. Click share. Click share. Yes. Share this video and invite your friend, please. Now, before we get to where the video is, ask Oshomole, you that disposed a sitting traditional ruler, why are you coming again to kneel down? In your election, you didn't kneel down. But as of today, you are here now to deceive people. Let me tell you the truth. You know what Fit tell us yesterday? No.
So I want to start by apologizing.
Now listen, I will not give him the publicity that he's looking for. Give me, open the YouTube for me. Let me bring out that video quickly, please. Not download. Okay. Let me just. I have them. Open your Facebook now. Let me show you. Now, Edo people, if the same man who did this is coming out, who disposed a city traditional ruler, is coming out to say, please, kneeling down in the front of Enigis. Please give me some minute. Now listen to one of this video.
To speak on the issues involved in this election. We talk about jobs. 3 days ago, that man, Pastor deceived people. He had the guts to talk about Brenda breweries. Brenda breweries, as he acknowledged, was working. We are going to play back that tape. PDP and Isete Yamu as the secretary, he confessed like a witch that they forcefully, these were his words, we forcefully took over the company in a democracy. democracy that is defined by rule of law, how can elected government in a democracy, quote unquote, forcefully take a private company? And that became the beginning. Then he went on. They were collecting, according to him, from Bede breweries, 25 million naira every month. That is what he says. But now, as the custodian of the treasury of Edo State, I can tell you those money went to his pocket and the pocket of his then principal. Is that not correct? And by the time they left, Bede breweries was owing 2 billion naira, which they borrowed to steal, and the company was closed, and Churchgate went to court. As we speak, that matter is in court, which is why we are not able to reopen the factory. Then he went on. When Channel asked him, Pastor, are you corrupt? He was dazed, but the members of the crowd helped him. Because when the crowd booed, he was now trying to reorganize. You don't understand the trick. As you were booing him, he was thinking of what to say. Then he said, no. For once, he was stammering. I'm not corrupt. All right. Did you take 700 million? Yes, but I have explained myself. We'll find out if really he has explained himself. Senator Zabere, you are here, you are welcome. Now, what is the truth? He went on to say he has never been indicted in his life. Is that not what he said? And that he made his first millions while he was either 21 or 31. Now, I challenge him, because you must know why you must vote for or vote against. The PDP candidate.
Hello. Sorry, the network is a little bit bad. Please share this video. Invite your friend. Now, you can see for yourself that Osho have no shame. Oshomole have no shame. He has no shame. There is no shame in his dictionary. If it happens to be Oshomole, believe me, I cannot even come out in public to talk. Now they have colluded together, planning to return Edo back to the same state, to the same stage. We are not seeing. So our own be saying, we have promised to continue to punish them with the truth. Join me live later in the evening as we do justice to this. We want to arrange all his videos, all his previous statements. We'll put all together. We will show it to you. Remember, Izayamu accused Oshomole of stealing 1.4 trillion naira Edo money. Do you know what that means? Till date, go and check ShopRite. Oshomole placed a picture. We welcome ShopRite in Edo. Till date, a ShopRite. He's only been paid that since I have lost my position, we will destroy everywhere. That is why he's crying now. But the truth is, Oshomole doesn't deserve to have a position anywhere, not even a local government chairman. Now look, it ain't run to this level. It's because of the fact that why was the NSC chairman? Ask him in 1993 what happened in Oshomole must go protest. Why was in a Labour Congress as a tailor? Oshomole must go protest in Kaduna 1993. Ask him to tell you. But we'll not go there for now. But if he continues in his old man rascality, Edo people will not hesitate to cut him to size politically. So it's not any time everywhere and now they say, he said Izeyamu lies effortlessly. Izeyamu said Oshomole lies effortlessly. That he can apologize to you today, in the next 4 days, he will continue what he apologized for. And you think this same apology we would win Edo people? The answer is no. Obaseki is the project, 4+4 Ogbani. And for those who are jittery, no cause for alarm. No matter the gang up, there can never be any form of godfather in Edo State. Oshomole cannot be one. Obaseki will be re-elected for 8 years. I want to send a clear message to every individual. If you are engaging in a clandestine move to attack the collective interest of Edo people, regardless of what you represent, you will be ridiculed and you will be rubbished alongside these two desperate personalities. You will be rubbished. Your integrity will be thrown into the murky pond of negative politics. Please, I advise, desist from this personality. No matter what they do, see, let me open up to you guys. I am broadcasting live from Lagos now. I am broadcasting live from Lagos. I am in Lagos State now. Let me tell you the simple truth. And I repeated it publicly in Lagos here. My mom, I overheard some of them are saying, don't worry, if you say we are going to teach you a lesson. You can't teach me a lesson in Edo. Ask Oshomole. Right from 2012 to 2014, 15, I engaged him on a battle. Ask him, he knows. Ask him, he knows. I was part of those who asked the likes of Kola Edobaye who are supporting him today indirectly. Ask him. He will tell you. In 2012, under the leadership of Comrade Dan Adebame Eche, while I was the director of mobilization and strategy at Edo Youth Congress, we fought against poverty law, tax law in Edo State, originated by Adam Oshomole. To date, it never seen the light of the day, that particular activity. So, we are not afraid. So, no matter the threat or whatever you all say, we not say, they say, tell us, go and tell us about nobody may reduce the attack, because if we reduce them, if you don't reduce them, if we don't attack, we'll do anything, you can't do anything. You can't do anything. Nobody should apologize on my behalf. I not fear any of you at all. So, do not apologize to any of them. For what? I am not saying anything wrong against you. I am only telling you that Edo cannot accommodate the likes of you guys. Oshomole told us everything, and Oshomole wants to change it. No way. No way. We are not afraid of you. No matter the threat, I have received series of threat calls, messages. Let me tell you, no level. I repeat, no level. Anything we talk is based on facts and evidence. Oshomole tied a single road per kilometer, 1 billion naira, airport road, go there. Sevatech company now carry that contract. 1 billion naira per kilometer. Uroligbe road. Those who bidded for the contract bidded within the range of 4.8 billion. Oshomole ended up awarding that contract to Cetraco company, who never bidded for the contract at the cost of 8 billion. Go and confirm. Now, what did they use the remaining 3.2 billion do? Oshomole should come and explain. Buba Galadima said Oshomole should tell us how he managed to raise the money to build the kind of house that President Buhari doesn't even have in Abuja in Aso Drive. Where did he work? A metalor. And you are coming to say you are not corrupt. Oshomole is number one corrupt personality in Edo State. Without verse, we go open up. If you think say you shall be talk, we will tell you say there are young gladiators in the streets of Benin, 3 senatorial districts of Edo, that will tell you anything when you talk, in our brain, we will bring it back to you. And you take bring it in. We not, you know, one will come out. We will tell you directly. Oshomole is not supposed to be begging for votes. He's supposed to be begging for forgiveness. Before I conclude my video this morning, I want you to join me to say 4 plus 4 Ogbane. Please type it. 4 plus 4 Ogbane. Type it. 4 plus 4 equals to 8 Ogbane. Type 4 plus 4 equals to 8 Ogbane. Now, this is another message to our brothers and sisters. Most especially those in the diaspora. Now, we don't know if there is a grand plan to stop you from traveling to Edo. Whichever plan. Each of you, I know you are the breadwinners of your various family. Call your brothers. Call your sisters. Call your mothers. Call your father. Call your friends. Tell them to go and get their PVC and vote for Governor Godwin Enoriase Obaseki. While you were supporting Sowore in the last elections, we knew how you mobilized your family. Sowore got his highest vote in Edo State. His highest vote came from Edo State. And it was from people in the diaspora. It was your directive. Even the Yoruba people will be in brother, not for them. Now here you get the vote. So una get the strength and the ability to mobilize. Call your brothers. Call your sisters. Call your family. Call anybody attached to you. From today, start telling them, go and collect your PVC. Now, PVC day where they don't do many years ago, even before 2019 election, when they never collect, your PVC is there. Go and collect it. I think that fear say they'll ring that it won't work. And this is a message to our fathers, the Eligies. Where Oshomole go meet yesterday. Daddy, I know say you people are open to receive everybody because you are our fathers. Do not be carried away by Oshomole's sugar-coated song. Izayamu told us publicly, he can apologize today and beat you tomorrow. He disposed of Oguromi. He did it. He did it. He acts unilaterally. Nobody dey fit talk to him. If he never do the one way they mind, you know go hear. So because of that, we will not allow him to have his way in this second dispensation. Now, this is a message to all Edo people, regardless of your status in the society. If we can get rid of Godfather that is raising the earth, because we don't know, say Oshomole they aspire to be Godfather. We thought he was only attacking Chief Tony and Nene and the rest to reduce them, to remove them from Godfatherism. This is a man who openly came out. None of these chiefs whatsoever, where Ingo meets yesterday, go come and stand face to face to the most respected Esama of Benin to insult her. If Oshomole can insult Esama of Benin, Oshomole can insult anybody. So do not be cajoled by his sugar-coated tongue. Do not be cajoled. He can insult anybody. He can. Who can. He can. Who can. He can. We know him. Do not be moved. Although we are coming with full force to counter his political power. We are coming with full force to counter his convincing sugar-coated tongue. Not be only God give. He did everybody. No man get power. Now Mosu, now everybody get. Oshomole has been retired and he's going to be retired politically. I told her from the beginning. I say politicians must go to retirement. Some politicians must go to retirement. And the number one of it is Adam Oshomole. I wish Adam Oshomole lawyer himself, he put himself, as he arranged himself. By this kind of time, he go to get respect from Edo people. You want to lord over everybody? No, you cannot even lord over your household. Not to talk about the biggest family, which is the Benin's. The second biggest family, which is the Afemans, the Edo North. The third biggest family, which is the Edo Central. You think you can just come, you just post your own, and everybody say, oh, now lie you. We don't know you. So my assignment, I'm giving myself an assignment. All the videos where is the Yamu for expose Oshomole Yams, we will give you all to see. In fact, I'm going to get a brand new phone today because of this thing. And when you go get them now, I will store on there for all of you now. With this on archive, we will play and make it here. All the thing when they talk about Oshomole, you go hear them. Then the one when Oshomole talk about that, you go hear them. Now let me tell you, they sit down somewhere agree before, say, if this one rule, this one go rule. If this one rule, this one go rule. Told them, Osagwe no no Comrade Ziegbe, no you, no others, no get right to speak for who we rule Edo. Oshomole come break that rule because of your own greed. Because at then, we just say a break up for the betterment of Edo. We don't know say one may be the Bogon, the political demagogue in the process. We just say he like us, now make him break up. Now last, we tell you say he wants to be the demagogue. Now, when he don't break and finish, now this one start with the attacker. He can say no. Based on say, is there a mood of threat? He say, if I enter government, I will probe you. Now he fight to burn. He don't know say Obaseki when he said the support as a then will come out to work for Edo people, not him. Now because Obaseki now work for Edo people, Oshomole don't cry. He return back to people when they get a hold the meeting. I know we mentioned the remaining two, but Isiamu was in the meeting. Oshomole was in the meeting. The one where the sponsor with Monina, everything was in that meeting. There be 5 way on that meeting. I know we mentioned the remaining 3. I don't mention their names. I mentioned the one way concern me now. Oshomole and Isiamu. And the one where they spend money here and there. When no one openly come and say, I made a do one. See they pretend, whereas we know. Now the plan now say they turn Edo power here and there. Obaseki pull hand. You know in Niagara for the hand. Now let me still tell you. If Obaseki rule finish in 8 years, he say he want to go godfatherism. We say go face him. No godfatherism. We go face Obaseki. Nobody can be godfather in Edo. Edo boy is too open. Edo boy is too sharp. Edo boy is too wacko. For you to say you want person, you come be the head. You want to the as the name will say, "Warrior, it can't happen. It can never happen." So now God sit down and decide our power. Mona remove on. Mona come on air for army salary. Remove your eye from army salary. Edo resources now army salary. All the boys in the streets in Edo are all soldiers. They be army. All the boys. Remove your eye from their salaries. Our collective wealth not be for one man. Then let me tell you their various interests. Someday where they fight for, they want to return back money counting machine into their office as they say they be bank. Someday will be say they want to control the total oil where they come for Edo. You know say any oil where they river. Now for federal government. Anyone where they land, they under state government. But state they pay royalty to the federal as well. Now, they want to make sure say now they control. So they will be say that oil feed dey their eye na their own na they go dey control am. Only dem fit get 100 billion, 200 billion, 1 trillion, 5 trillion. You and me no get right to get. Go see our schools. If not be Obaseki wey dey digitalize am since then come reach now. Oshoma dem paint red roof. He use 500 million take build only Imagboro. No. Yes. 500 million take build only that school. That 500 million is enough to renovate 30 schools. He renovate one school with 500 million. Go and confirm all these details. It is there. Some just stay. Their own. Those days, people they go inside government house. They'll say, "Oh, we don't know what did happen here." Where? Police go to look. They'll say that they want to return to that era. Now, lie. If you try that in government house, you dey go prison. You will go to prison immediately. Obaseki is a no-nonsense government because he not give the opportunity where they pocket on. Now be this gang up. If we not let them succeed, no. We don't talk our own. We not go agree make them succeed. All those need down, someone let them need down. You don't already know. They don't know. See, I might tell you. Whenever they tell you anything, take them very seriously because I know the whole side of the coin. I tell you what one of the tell. He say, "Iyanari on ibenana de gbela o huli mayayin. Mami o you are gbeli mayawa." Because me was akokodo go dey call say, "Oh you are gbeli mayawa." I join the talk. Michael, me no te wa hu. Ah me o me la me I no sabi pretend. Some of them will come to the